Welcome back to the Broncast podcast, all about the Ford Bronco. I'm your host, John Melton.
And I'm Donnie Whiteman.
Today, we're going to be talking about Bronco parts and deals, especially with our sponsor, Tom's Offroad, who has all the Bronco parts and accessories that you need to fully restore a Ford Bronco. All right, Donnie, we're in November. That means people are shopping like crazy, like mad, trying to get all the deals. I don't know about you. I'm kind of one of those people that I will buy things for Christmas and then be like, hey, if you want to give this to me for Christmas, that would be a great idea. Are you a Christmas list kind of person?
I actually end up buying stuff before Christmas and get in trouble.
Yeah. I think it just comes with the territory. It's a part of being a man.
I need this now.
Yeah, I need to buy this now. Sausage fingers on keyboard, buy. Yeah. Well, today, what we want to do is we want to talk about some Bronco parts, some cool parts that are kind of coming out for the, Gen 6 Bronco, some stuff that we've heard about for the early Bronco, but then also talk about some deals that Tom's Offroad, our sponsor for the podcast,
Big deals
that they have going on. But first, we had our SEMA recap episode last week. Fantastic.
It was painful for me.
Yeah, you should definitely watch that and take a look at Donnie talking about Broncos that he liked at SEMA. We had on there the Sergeant, Kyle Sargent from Ford Performance. You talked to him at SEMA, but he was talking about the electric soft top for the new Bronco. And I feel like that's a huge thing for new Bronco owners. That's the part that we're starting off with today.
Yeah, electric convertible. Does it get any cooler?
Right. It's pretty plush in the Bronco with the electric soft top. And that was, we were saying soft top is making that. Do you know?
Best top.
Best top. Yeah.
We believe they're making it.
Making a soft top. So kicking it off, electric soft top. What do you got? What's on top of your list?
My stuff's expensive. I have very expensive tastes. So, but this, one of them is a set of sway bars. Like I'm installing the rear Hellwig sway bar next. We've done a couple fronts, and you did a video on one.
I did the front. Yeah.
And
that thing was amazing.
It's a game changer. Like you may not believe us, but drive a Bronco that has a sway bar on the front, an early Bronco, and it's a game changer. It's the difference between driving 50 and 70.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Like it just settles the Bronco down. And especially like if you're an idiot like me and you put a roof rack on top of your Bronco and then you put your spare tire on top of the roof rack, like it definitely gives you a little more stability.
Go backwards.
Yeah. Run into a tree.
Might have kept you from flipping over.
Yeah,
I don't know.
It could have.
But at speed, you notice it, but also when you're just driving day to day and you're going around corners or you got your hard top on, it's amazing.
That Hellwig sway bar, Tom's has it. It's pretty fantastic. I think that has moved to the top spot on immediate upgrades. I think it took over the spot of disc brake kit for early Bronco owners.
Unless you don't have any brakes.
Well, yeah, then you definitely need some brakes. My list, I'm going cheap Amazon products for the new Bronco. So my first cheap Amazon product is $60, and it is the rear dual cup holder for the Bronco. I feel like the Bronco does not have enough cup holders, and when you're sitting in the Bronco, obviously if you're just driving by yourself, it's not a big deal.
Early Bronco.
New Bronco. 6th gen Bronco. Yeah, the early Bronco doesn't have any cup holders.
Cup holders.
No, yeah. But the new Bronco, like if you're in the back, like the cup holder.
Got your drink and you're like,
yeah. There's nothing.
2 drinks.
Right. I feel like that's a pretty good upgrade. Because I don't know about you, sometimes I just spend time on Amazon looking at things that I don't need. And this was on it because I don't have a new Bronco, but I feel like if I did, this would be one of the things so that my kids don't always spill their drinks in their car. We'll put links in the description below where you can pick
that's
one of
a
these
bargain.
up. $60 goes right there behind that little center console.
I have an expensive one again,
Ooh.
And we installed a front runner full roof rack on, it was actually on a Raptor, and it was on display at GSM.
Oh,
So
nice.
it's on Mark's Bronco Raptor.
Yes.
And it completely changed the look. It took your eyes off the flares a little bit and gave him a little height. And it looks so cool up there. It looks like he's ready for a safari, but it's actually, you can walk on it. You can put a tent on it.
I love the look of a Bronco with a roof rack. The front runner, it really does. I'm looking at this, which is the Tom's Off-Road 6th Gen catalog that they have that you can call and get one of these for yourself. But yeah, they've got the front runner slimline roof rack, and it's sturdy and lightweight and doesn't require any drilling. Like it just kind of put it on there.
To be fair, some assembly required.
Yeah, oh, definitely. Because you got to put all those slats in.
Even with the instructions.
Yeah.
I had to do it more than once. But once it was done, it's like it's up there. You never have to assemble it again. It's awesome.
Nice. John's cheap Amazon product number 2. Apparently, I'm going with my rear passengers in my imaginary new 6th Gen Bronco because I chose the under seat vent deflector for the Ford Bronco. I don't know. I was just looking at this and I was like, that is a fantastic idea because what it does, like, it's this little deflector that moves the air up. So if you're sitting in the back seat, because the vent is under the driver's seat or the passenger seat. So when you're in the back of the Bronco, the air is just blowing on your feet. So it points it up. So when you're sitting back there, like it blows on you and cools you down. I don't know. Like, I just thought that was a great idea.
Yeah.
$25. Like
that could work in any Bronco.
That's a great cheap Amazon product.
All right. So I have, some more expensive stuff. There was so much suspension that I looked at SEMA, and almost everybody's got a 6th Gen. There's a new company out there doing Gen 6 stuff. And they're not a new company, but they're into, pre-running and Baja and Ultra 4 stuff. And so they know all about racing suspensions, and they're making some stuff for the 6G. And it's called Arizona Desert Shocks. It goes by ADS.
Yeah, I've heard
and
of
look for them to come out with some really high-end, maybe long travel, but stuff that's been tested. Super pumped about that. I'll hopefully get my hands on some this fall.
Some ADS suspension goodies.
This winter, I'm hoping to install some.
That's a good one. I think suspension upgrades should be on everyone's Christmas list. You can never go wrong. There's always a better suspension that you need.
But if you're like me, then you got to buy a step.
Yeah. It adds. It snowballs.
Yeah.
Like you get the suspension.
I can't get in my own truck.
Well, you get a bigger suspension, then you have to get bigger tires, and then you have to get a step to get in your Bronco. Then you have to get more grab handles, and then even on the classic Bronco, it's the same story. Number 3 cheap Amazon product, I'm going with the rear seat back cover. If you have a 4-door Bronco and you fold the seats down, these are like protection that goes on the back of the seats, and this is only $50 set. So like literally it just goes on those back pieces and just kind of protects them. I don't know. I just,
you don't want to tear your carpet up or get it all muddy or whatever.
Right.
Yeah, that makes all the sense in the world.
If you're like pushing stuff in there and it just slides easier.
And
on
look
the
at
back
the price
seat.
on that.
$51.
Yeah.
Yeah. So those are my, I don't have any more cheap Amazon products. Those are my only ones, but I just thought, man, while I'm perusing the Amazons, I found some products I don't need.
I have a relatively inexpensive item. It's $169.
Oh, that is cheap.
And it's a Power Master 1-wire alternator for your Bronco. And the pulley is actually a machined piece of metal, but we were in the shop and I've done a whole bunch of remans that aren't really much less money, maybe 130, 140. And this one was just squealing and I could not get it to stop. Tried everything. And finally it's just like, it's not the belt deflection. It's not. Tried 6 belts, different brackets, bought the Power Master, put it on, and it's so quiet. It's like right out of the box, no issues.
I don't have it. I've looked at that one a number of times, especially if you've bought an old classic Bronco and your battery's not charging or like your electrical stuff just isn't working right. that is a great alternator to get because it works. They have a high output one as well. So if you do some upgrades, like upgrading to EFI and getting, USB phone charger in there and
big stereo system,
like that is a great one. I think it goes up a little bit. I think it's like 250 or 279 or something like that. But I've looked at that one because for a while my alternator wasn't working right. And I was trying to track down, it wasn't my alternator. I ended up having some parasitic draw from one of the electronics that I had installed improperly. Go figure. But yeah, I was looking at getting that alternator, and it's a great one.
It's not in here. It's on the truck. But here, this is the box, and it is a 47101 is the part number. And I just can't say enough about this because, we were fighting with that for weeks and everybody had a different idea of what was going on. And finally it's like, it was just the shaft and the alternator.
Yeah. Well, real quick, we mentioned at the beginning, Tom's Offroad is our sponsor for the podcast. And right now on their website, they already have their Black Friday deals going on. Black Friday. It's not a Friday anymore. It's like the month of November deals. I just wanted to go through some of what they have on their site right now. 10% off site-wide, 25% off all of their merch, 15% off impact bumpers and interior bars, $200 off all of their full seat kits. But one of the things that is on Jon's Christmas list, take note, is the PSC steering box kit with Ram Assist. So for all of you off-road guys, you know what Ram Assist is. It is amazing. It helps you so much when you're out on the trail. Basically, we talked about you get a big lift kit, you put big tires on your Bronco. Well, those tires become super hard to turn on the road or when you're out on the trail. And so, you add a power steering box to your Bronco. That helps. But then you add Ram Assist, and the Ram Assist actually increases. I'm going to dumb this way down. This isn't the official, but the Ram Assist increases the power of when you turn your steering wheel. That actually turns the wheels. So when you got big tires, it makes it easier to turn the wheels at slow speed, like when you're on the trail, trying to go over an obstacle or something like that. Now, I will say, I wouldn't necessarily recommend Ram Assist if you're running like the stock steering linkage. Like I would definitely upgrade the steering linkage as well, because Ram Assist on stock steering linkage, you're going to break something pretty quick.
But imagine how hard, we know how hard it is to turn a big tire vehicle with no power steering. Yeah. Well, this is just the next level.
Yeah,
now you're off-road, and it makes it that much easier.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you said seats. They have a deal on seats. Well, Tom's also has new seats. They have the new diamond stitch pattern, which looks super high-end, but they have them in a bunch of different colors. So they have them in their walnut and their deerskin and actually parchment. So if you want a really classy high-end look, they have them, which surprised me. So you can get entire seat sets. They're almost always free freight, and now they got a deal on them too.
$200 off. So the kit was, I want to say $1,700, and it's $1,500 now.
Yeah.
So pretty smoking deal. If you're looking for a seat kit, haven't bought one yet, haven't pulled the trigger. We've talked about it a number of times on the episodes. I have the seats, Tom seats in my Bronco. It's a game changer when you are driving your Bronco long distances. I did 8 hours the other day. I was actually doing a video, and I was driving my Bronco around Gatlinburg all day because they just opened up the new Bronco off-rodeo up there. And so we're doing a video for Bronco Nation. And so I was driving my Bronco all day, and I was sitting in my seats, and it didn't bother me. I mean, I was tired of driving my Bronco because I was just done with it, but my back didn't hurt like it used to in the old stock seats.
Yeah. Well, I've been putting them in everything.
Yeah.
So we just buy everybody. Like I don't know how many Broncos we've worked on since this summer, and they almost every one of them got a Tom seat set in it. Yeah, I think that's like one of the top upgrades you can do for your interior. And one of the colors will match. Like if you have parchment, it matches. If you have ginger, they match the ginger.
All right, another Black Friday deal for me. Now, this is one that I've already installed on my Bronco, but it's the Tom's Big Brake Kit. I did a video, how-to video, put these on, and man, stopping, with that big brake kit is great. I will say, be careful because you can't fit a stock wheel with the big brake kit. I had to upgrade to the methods. But it's $300 off on Tom's website right now for their Black Friday deals.
But I saw on the all the things they're talking about doing, they also had a disc brake conversion.
Yeah.
And they have like a front disc, just an upgrade kit. If you just want to do newer disc brakes on the front, and I would recommend that for any Bronco.
Totally. Yeah. That's second below the sway bar is the disc brake kit.
Being able to stop.
Yeah. Yeah. And that, just Tom's front disc brake conversion kit is $100 off. So yeah, pretty good deals on there for sure.
When does Black Friday start?
It's already going on. Tom's has their deals. I think they started on like Friday of last week. So they've already got their deals going on. But if you go to the Tom's website, tomsoffroad.com, and click on specials, then you can see all of the limited time sales items.
I saw Method wheels on there too.
Yeah.
So they got wheels.
I know. Got a lot of good stuff. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.